Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to clone GitHub repository from terminal. Using terminal, you can very easily clone your GitHub repository, and after that you can work very easily. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, I will tell you my GitHub repository. This is my GitHub repository and I want clone this particular repository. You just consider as a demo point of view. You can target any of GitHub repository from other users also, so accordingly you can very easily clone this repository. So how to do it? It's very simple. You just simply copy this URL, otherwise code, and copy this URL also. That one and that one is the same, but just git is coming here. You just simply copy here, and after that you open here your terminal. This is my terminal. Find out the location and which folder you want clone this repository. I just simply enter here in the code folder. After that, here look at this, one repository is available. I just clone here in this current repository, which I just simply copy and type here git clone git clone, and after that you just simply paste here this URL and enter, and boom, the cloning into the speech repository downloaded on my computer. I just simply open this folder. Really, the code is coming or not, and boom, entire repository is cloned on my local system. After that, I can very easily update, modify using different git commands. So this is a simple process to clone GitHub repository via terminal on your local machine. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.